If you are someone who is really struggling with the trust, with the confidence, and with the discipline in trading, then this video is for you. Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Trading with Min. In today's video, I'm going to share a really crucial and really important for every trader out there. And I wish I could take it seriously much earlier when I was trading. And guess what? It is backtesting. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what really backtesting is, why it is so essential for all the traders, and how to do it in a right way so you can get the most out of it and you can build the confidence towards a strategy and yourself. So yeah, what is backtesting? Backtesting means going back in time using historical price data to test a strategy, candle by candle, setup by setup, just as if you were trading it live. Why backtesting is so important? Firstly, it helps you to develop and validate your edge. Secondly, it builds belief in your system, especially during the drawdowns. And thirdly, it improves your ability to recognize setups and react quickly. Last but not least, and most importantly, it removes guesswork. You no longer trade on a hope, but you trade on a proof. Basically, this is how I backtest my data. I have split it into the two phases, the phase 1 and the phase 2. Definitely it's here, so it's pretty much simple. Usually what people does is like just to backtest and just see the data and let's just move on. Like, it's not like that. You just really have to refine your edge, and trust me guys, no matter what strategy you use, you can't really copy and you can't really replicate the strategy or the edge of your mentor. You can't really do that because you're gonna have your own mechanism, you're gonna have your own slightly approach to the market and slightly extra edge that you're gonna gain throughout the process, right? So more experience you gain, you're gonna have your more extra edge and more extra the way you view the market will be a little bit different from your own approach. So this is really crucial, the backtesting is. And let's get started. In the phase 1, the first of all, that's the phase 1. This is the raw phase, I would say. It's like, as you can see, the phase 1, we're gonna do the exploration and data collection first of all. And what does it mean? It means like the main goal for this backtesting phase 1 is you do not care about the winning, we do not care about the losing, you do not care about the strike, you just collect the data as much as you can. And it's like here you can already have written, understand how your strategy performs over a wide range of conditions. What does it mean? It means like you just place the trade no matter what the outcome, right? There are 3 steps definitely in this phase 1. The step 1 is collect raw data, which means you have to go bar by bar, no bias, take all the trades that fit your criteria, even if the setups looks ugly in the hindsight, right? Just take all the trade. It doesn't really matter. Just take all the valid trade, high probability, medium probability, low probability, everything. Just collect as much as you can and collect whatever you know regarding the strategy. In the second step, log everything. It means like you can use the Notion, you can use the Microsoft Excel, whatever it is, but make sure you log all the data, because if you don't log the data, if you don't save the data, then you won't be able to refine, you won't be able to review the data at the end of the backtesting. So this is really crucial. Here I've given some example, date sessions, entry model. It could be M5, LC1, LC2A, or M50 risk entry, whatever it is, confluences. What was the really positive thing that you took a trade? Just write down those things also, and what's the risk reward, outcome, and phase, and etc. In the third steps, review deeply. It means like don't just count how much percentage you make. look at the structure, look at the timing, especially which session is profitable for you, which session is not profitable for you. Maybe London Lol is giving you lots of losses than the wins, then you should probably you're going to avoid the London Lol. Or maybe which time, till what time you are profitable, till after maybe sometime after 4, after 5 p.m. the market does not really do good. So maybe that time you this particular time you're going to avoid, in the future. And the drawdown behavior, like what is the winning streak, what is the losing streak, what is the most losing you can have in this pair particularly. So this is going to help you psychologically even in the live market. If you have 2 losses in a row, people get freaked out because why? They don't have data. I have like 5 losing streak as per my backtesting. So even if I take a 5 losing trade in a live market, I won't freaked out because I know my data very well, that I have a probability, or I have a chance to have a 5 losing in a row, right? And that's how you supposed to gather data from the backtesting. And also how setups reacted in a different market condition. Maybe it could be the trending market, it could be the downside market, it could be the ranging. And mostly my data shows ranging market does not really serve me well. So what I'm doing, I don't trade on especially mostly ranging market. I wait for the breakout, I wait for the trend, I wait for the clean development, and then only I'll take a trade. So yeah, so this phase is gonna help you uncover patterns, habit, flaws, and not just the market but in your own approach. So once you collect these things and once you review the one I'm saying it, so you're gonna have a little bit slightly adjustment over there, because you will, once you review data, you would know, okay, this session is not working for me, okay, this is this phase is not good for me, okay, this sweep is not, this kind of sweep is not really profitable, or okay, this is the example, taking a long on opposite supply or taking a short opposing demand is not really profitable for me. What are you gonna do? You're gonna separate those kind of trade, and you won't take this kind of trade which is giving you lots of losses. So that's how you do on the phase 1. And moving to the phase 2, you can see that at phase 2 is the really crucial. Refine execution, age confirmation. It means like you're gonna take the trade, right? You're gonna take the trade, whatever you refine from here, whatever really works for you, you're gonna write down on a paper, whatever it is, you will know by yourself, and then you will apply the same strategy. But of course this strategy is going to be far more better than the you started in the beginning, because you already review data, you already know what is working, what is not working, and then you're going to apply on that second phase, right? So here, after that, what's the goal? Apply what you learned in phase 1, cleaner, filtered trades, and that truly aligns with your refined A's now, right? What are the steps? Steps 1 and steps 2. Steps 1, you can see that restart from the same historical period, and now only take trades that meet refined criteria. You are no longer testing a strategy, but you are, what are you gonna do? You are executing it more accuracy. It's like here you're not testing it, you're gonna use the same concept after refinement and do the back testing from the same period of time. And number 2, deeper review. Again here you're gonna have more review. Whatever you review in the phase 1, you're gonna do the same thing, repeat it, and here you're gonna have less low probability trades, you're gonna have less E for a bot, definitely, that compared to phase 1. And ask yourself, are you taking fewer or higher trades? Are you seeing fewer emotion setups, right? Or is your strike rate is improving? And I can really guarantee, if you really follow this process, your strike rate definitely going to be improved, and your bricks to reward, your reward, your profit is going to be slightly increased than the phase 1. And that's how you're going to make your age, that's how you're going to make your own strategy, and that's going to help you in the live market without no hesitation, without no if or but, right? And you will surprise the result, that you will likely see not only your better strike rate but also more confidence and clarity in how you read the charts. And this is how you're going to gain the confidence in the live market. All right. So yeah, this is all. So we'll just start how I'm testing the backtesting, and I'll show you some few backtesting models. So you're gonna have some benefits. I hope so, right? So now, how do you start the backtesting? Before starting, just I wanna say something. First of all, select the year. It's like people are confusing what year I supposed to do, or how many years I supposed to collect it. If you are a beginner, if you want to test the data, it's just like nothing to worry about that. You just start the last year. I mean, right now we are running 2025, so you can start from January 2024 to December 2024 if you are trading intraday pros, right? So yeah, select the year which you want to do, and then draw the swing range, POIs, liquidity from all the time frame from daily to M15. As I'm intraday trader, so my main time frames are H4 and M15. Daily, of course, I do that because I have to know what's really going on the high time frame, and just draw all those things and start testing, right? So I hope you pretty much clear what's the phases and how you do that and how to start the backtesting. And now moving forward, let's start backtesting. So yeah, pretty much this is what I've drawn on a daily time frame. You can see that the overall daily time frame is the bullish for me, and I'm expecting some sort of pullback if needed. All right, I'll just draw the range to see. Yeah, pretty much you can see that after sweeping the high, price pretty much have the bearish rally. So I'm expecting this price will continue to lower, and maybe the break this low, and if this breaks, these things I'm expecting. I'm expecting the pullback in daily. So I just started this backtesting, as I am also doing on backtesting session, so that I can show you. This is the thing. I'm doing it right now. I'm also collecting again. I just want to have some more improvement on my data, so again I'm collecting it. That's the updated plan. Actually, it's like I have tweaked a little bit some extra things from backtesting, so that's what I'm testing right now. So I'm gonna continue it. It's like, so you're gonna get the benefits out of it. So I have taken, you can see that I'm taking the data, everything. I'm filling everything, whatever needed, whatever it is. Just you can add the columns, whatever you want to test, and you can use it so greatly. And then you just have to journal it over and over again to get the real data, to get the real confidence of the market. So yeah, I'm until 19 June. But I'm going to start from 19 June. Yeah, all right. So yeah, that's the daily. You can just map everything, whatever demand, supplies, phase, swing, internal, whatever it is. Just draw it, and moving to the H4. So on the H4, you can see that pretty much it's bearish, internal is bullish, but you can see after mitigating the daily supply zone, H4 drastically fell down. It has, you can see the huge rejection with the huge bearish candle. That's pretty much an early indication that's going to be run. But what I can see here, exactly, this is the really nice demand and high probability demand actually, which had swayed the low, right? And you can see pretty much inducement on the top, right? Inducement POI over there in front of the daily, in front of the H4 demand zone. So I'm expecting at least some sort of reaction, or maybe it could push up higher. I don't know what next. All I can do is like I can expect the things as per the market conditions, right? So I don't predict, I don't think anything, I just execute what I see it. So yeah, H4 is pretty much clean. I have a neutral approach at the moment right now, definitely, because I'm expecting some sort of reaction from the this one, or maybe if it's not, if M15 like that, I'm happy to take the long. Or if M15 is like the if shift bearish, I'm happy to take a short. If this bearish, definitely I'm more aggressive on the sell side because of that daily confluences, H4, everything, right? Yeah, pretty much H4 is okay to me. I'm neutral at H4. I'm happy to take the trade as per the M15 confirmations. So on the M15, as you can see, the huge bearish momentum kicked in, definitely oversold the price. Now I'm expecting some sort of retracement or maybe the pullback to the swing structure and then continue to lower. Right? So yeah, pretty much similar. Nothing. There is nothing to think. Let's wait for the session to open the session, and then let's see how it goes. So right now I'm at 6:45. So anyway, my session starts from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. right? So during the London lull, 10 to 12 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., if the setup is really high probability and really fits my plan, I will take it. I don't have really strict rule for the London lull. As per my data, I'm profitable on a London lull as well. So yeah, let's start it. So M15, let's do that. All right, okay. So M15, nothing clean at the moment. As you can see, or what I can see is like, you can see pretty much there is the decent order flow is holding right now. And now if this holds, if this push higher, and then I'm happy to take a long, as there is no any opposing supply to interrupt my price action. Let's see how it goes. Let's bring it back here. 50. Okay, that's my demand, and if this demand fails, I'm happy to take a short, because what it did, it just swept the Asian high, and now Asian high bearish chalk, but I don't want to take a short because still my prior order flow is holding it. Just give me a minute. Okay, that's the one. You can see that the prior, that's the recent structure is holding, so it could mitigate and then push up higher. All right, so let's see. Let's wait. Don't rush for these things. Let's wait for the market to show you the confirmation and just hit the trade. It's all yours. Don't be like so greedy, or don't be like so FOMO to take the trade. Even if it goes out, that's fine. One trade, remember, one trade, one make it, and one trade, one break it, right? Let's see. Okay, nice rejection over here. All right, I'm still waiting. Oh wow, this is something I would love to see. That you can see that this is pretty much, I would call IBOS. This is also the, yeah, I mean, it just broke now, and it just broke with the momentum over there, right? Demand mitigation pushed up higher, so I'm happy to take a long if this pulls back and show me some sort of entry model. Oh wow, it's moved so far now. Yeah, whenever if it's in a tight range, example, if it is in a tight range, quick in and out, this is so good. But when it's far, I just want to see a clean entry model or amplitude structure or order flow shift from the particular demand. Let's see how it goes. Right, nothing. Do you want to take a short? Of course not. There is no any clean supply zone, no high taper support, anything. Just want to see M15 price action right now. Okay, nice confirmation, pulling back nicely. Let's see what M15 is doing. Okay, there is any chalk? Of course not. Yeah, there is the M5 LC1, very clean. I would like to use this one, but let's see if it pulls back to the POIs. Oh, it's not. Now this is something. Now you can see the LC1 is here, and even if it pulls back, this is still valid, but I don't want to take this trade because you can see while pulling back, the M15 is, the supply is holding, right? Is something how I would like to see the M1 LC, M5 LC1 is like just thoroughly going do and then do like that. If coming, like if sweeping this one, after sweeping pushed higher, mitigating any supply and come back, this kind of LC1 I don't like to see, and I don't like to take this trade. Let's see how it goes. Oh wow, so fast. All right, so yeah, my zone has failed. but you can see that after filling the zone, I would like to see what M15 going to next, because I don't want to take a short against this kind of huge rejection over there. If it were, you can see the push is so clean, but the retrace candle was, the retrace price action was not really clean. You can, it's pretty much correctively. So still the market has the bullish momentum. Still, I would say that until we'll fill this low with the body close. Let's see that. Okay, yeah, I think today 11:45. Okay, still we have. Okay, by the way, I forgot to tell that I also use this economic calendar just to see whether is there anything, is there anything like a news or some sort of thing. So today is 24th June. 24 June, 24 June. There is nothing. There is no news. I think, yeah, 20, 21, 26. So I don't have any news. So I don't have to worry about that, right? Just to let you know, only we have 26. On Wednesday we have the news at 9:30 still, so it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, pretty much nothing for me. Prices stock between these kind of range. You can see that. So pretty much. Okay, still 2 o'clock here, but I don't want to take this trade. It's not like something I would love to take, right? Yeah, arguably you can take that demand, which has swept bullish chalk, but again the overall price action I didn't like it, and yeah, I'm just passing this trade. So I think it's, yeah, already out of session for me. So yeah, I mean, let's move to the next day. There you go. Next day we here. So eventually, let's see how it goes. That's the IOS. Let's see. That one. So yeah, I'm 15 shifted bearish. So I'm looking for a short. Let's see how H4 is reacting at the moment. All right. Okay, H4 has like, okay, some sort of demand is there on H4. You can see that this potentially could hold, but I don't think so it hold now, and it's just the reaction over there. If M15 shifts something bullish here, maybe okay, I would think of taking long, but overall I'm short because of that huge momentum to the bearish side. But still nothing has confirmed it. I can't say anything. I would like to see the session open and show me the real bearish momentum before it kicked in, because yeah, it is what it is. Let's just start it. So yes, 6:45, 7 o'clock. Okay, nothing clean for me. Possibly, okay, that's the equal high, so I don't think so this POI is really high for me. But let's see. As you can see, I don't like to really directly trade from these Asian POIs. I would like to see the session POIs first of all, and then I would like to see some momentum, and that's how you trade. Let's see. Nothing for me. Okay, didn't sweep. Okay, didn't sweep it. Okay, now it's moving forward, but again this is pushed higher. But now you can see that how price is pushing up higher by leaving the equal lows, clearly equal lows. So I would not surprise if it is mass like that, and I would not like to trade. If this demand holds to the upside, then I would look for a long, because this demand is a little bit suspicious for me. All right, let's see. Okay, nice push, nice one. Let's see. Okay, this is already, if this breaks, yes, that's nice. So now we can look for a long. Now I'm happy to look for a long, but let's see how price goes. Okay, that's nice. Going back to these PYs. Okay, smash through. Let's see if this PY has any potential or no, right? But I can say I'm not really happy with this PY, especially leaving the equal lows behind the protected low. This is something I would avoid. I would like to see if there is any LC2A formed. Okay, nice one. Let's see. The 15. Okay. Today we don't have any news. So let's check it out. Okay. See, you can see that. Look at that. As I said, Now you can see how many people might have set the risk entry after seeing this kind of thing, right? So this is why it's really understand to read the market, what is doing it, how it's going it, what is leaving behind, is there any liquidity behind or no, is there any buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity, whatever it is, just try to read the market before you execute the trade, right? You can see it's just easily smashed through, and you can see that. I think, yeah, today I'm done with the session. Let's go to the next day. All right, wow, exactly as I was expected. You can see this equal load just swept. Look at that, and then easily this is the liquidity. Price is wanting for that. Now I'm pretty much sure. Just let me draw those things. I don't like to see lots of clutter. Sure. Now that's the break of the structure. Swing. I am pretty swing shifted more to the downside, right? So I'm happy to take a short if this shows me any structure. Let's go to the H4 just real quick. H4 the same thing, you can see nice. Now I'm not really big fan of this demand. Now this demand has the failed reactions. So yeah, pretty much I'm like sure that's that price could hold and around the week low, sorry. Right. All right, I'm kind of bearish at the moment. The H4, okay, that's nice. H4 mitigation. So let's see, that's also the H4 supply. So why it's so important, you can see on H4 drawing it. Even though it's mitigated, but let's see how it goes. So that's why I want to trade some sort of mitigated zone. Let's see an M15 how it goes. Nothing there. Okay, pushing lower down, that's really good. Okay, wow, V-shaped reaction is kicking. I would take, if this fails, I will take the long just for the real quick, but again for the long maybe this just a fake long and then push more lower because the overall high driver is bearish, right? For the long I would like to see something very strong and very convincing on M15. Otherwise I'm fully focused on short. Okay, this POI could hold definitely, right? Definitely it could hold, but again I'm a little bit suspicious about this break. It's just weak break, it could be the sweep. I'm just waiting, no rush, nothing. If it does not fit your plan, don't even think to take a trade. Let the market to show you before you take a trade. Okay, nothing for me, nothing for me. Okay, wow, that's a really nice confirmation. Now this is an IBOS. Now we are on phase A2. That's a clean. I want to take a range, like that's the clean range, and I would like to see if there is anything holding. Of course not. On the H4 you can see that there is nothing holding the price, so I'm pretty much sure this is going to be a really nice move. While I'm waiting for now pullback, let me think if I can take the risk entry. Yeah, I can take the risk entry. Okay, yeah, that's really nice sweep. London, all the London volume has swept. All right, and then yeah, let's see. I would like to set the risk entry here. Let's see, and my target will be the week low. Let's see where the week. Okay, nice one. Oh wow, but still it really fits my plan. Let's see how it moves. If it again one more bullish candle to the upside, I will close my order. Let's give like a little bit buffer, and let's see how it goes. Let's yes, exactly. Now sell limit, save. Let's see. Because in the gold it's lots of volatility. You can see even you can receive reactions and still push lower, right? So that's the nature of gold. Don't even don't like overthink for this price. Let's see. Okay, nice momentum has slowed down. Or if I take a little short from, oh okay, what is that? It's so buggy and I'm filtering. Sometimes my first play is so buggy. All right, let's see. I'm still willing to take a trade because This really fits my plan. I'm happy to take a shot because overall everything you can see H4 varies, fully momentum has kicked in, full bearish, everything is there. Daily is bearish. Daily also is pointing out the it really wants to run the week low. You can see that week low. You just look at that. Lots of tons of liquidity here. So definitely I won't be surprised if this do like that. Right? So yeah, overall it fits my plan. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm tagged in now. There you go. Nice reactions. Why am does also okay. Technically we have also the LC1 here. Right, so your entry would be, if you take the LC1 entry would be here, you would tagged in. So better you cover the POIs if it's possible. And I don't really do great to sacrifice few RR for sake of tightest stop loss. I would always like to cover the POI if possible, right? So this is something which have saved me a lot from taking lots of unnecessary losses. Oh, wow, that's really nice momentum kicked in. 3.838 hour till the week low. That's the pretty much simple trade overall idea. And let's see, oh, look at that, it smashed through so nicely, right? So moving forward now, this is 26 June. Yeah, 26 June. All right, so now what I'm do, let's journal it on Notion now. Usually I don't write anything because you can write just you can do like that, and you can write anything like, because of this I'm taking short, just try to write everything, all the notions things. But right now I don't have to do that. I just once I see the price, I would know what I was looking for. So I didn't need to do that. But in the beginning I used to write everything, all the notions, and write as much as you can, because later when you review data you wouldn't know what you were thinking that time. So I just recommend all of you to write what you were thinking, what was the POI was doing, what was the positive thing that you're looking for a trade and everything. Once you do that, it's so helpful to review your data, right? But I'm not doing it as I'm already have done my things. Now this is only I'm doing for sake of backtesting and want to see something if it's working or not, right? Just I do like that, go to the Notion and just feel everything now. There you go. And look at that, what I'm telling you. Look at that. Your average SL size is $3.16. And what's your MA buffer? Average buffer is 0.24. Alright. What's your average trading gap? So usually I have to wait for 8 days to get the one setup from the gold. So next time in the live market, if I have no trade for a week, I'm fine, because my data shows average I have to wait for 8 days to get one setups as per the way I trade. That's why I have low frequency of trade, but I have that's why I focus on the quality over the quantity, right? All right, so this is for it guys right now. I hope you guys learn some lessons, and in future I'm going to upload this series of backtesting, how I'm taking at least for the month. So I'll just post series by series in the future, and hopefully you guys will get some value from that. All right, this is it for today. Backtesting does more than to teach you a strategy. It teaches you to trust your own strategy. For example, every trader goes to the period of doubt, period of hesitation, and where the backtesting going to minimize those doubt and hesitation. As I've already showed on the Notion, right? While I'm doing the backtesting, I saved all the data which I was required as from backtesting. That's example. I knew in advance that how many days I really have to wait for the perfect setup, right? As I have already saved on my Notion while doing the backtesting. So I would not hesitate if on even if I do not have the trade for the week, or how many losing streak I have. Some trader, they get panic when they have two losses in a row. They get panic. They start to doubt. They start to blame the strategy itself. But it's not how it works in real trading, guys. If because now example, I have five losing streak. So in live market, even if I take a five losing trade, I won't hesitate because I know my data. That's how I uh, track my data to stay consistent, to execute as flawlessly. So that's what really backtesting helps to grow as a trader. If you are not backtesting, then you are trading blindly. If you haven't journal yet the backtesting, then you are missing the edge, missing the piece of puzzle. And if you don't trust your data, if you don't trust your strategy, then guess what? You are not doing it correctly and you haven't seen it working over a time. So here is what I suggest for you guys. Try to block out some time for the week and do the backtesting. Choose the pair, choose the style that you want to trade, that you want to backtest, and do it. And trust me, this alone habit can change everything in the trading career. I could have stressed the backtesting video. Furthermore, I could have finished the whole week, but this video is going to be so long. So what I'm thinking, guys, so next time I'm going to upload the backtesting series, where I'm gonna upload at least a week period of backtesting. So where you're gonna get the more ideas and more things how I'm trading, what are the concepts I'm looking for. Definitely, I'm going to do that in future. I'm going to make some sort of series for the backtesting itself, and hopefully you're gonna get the benefits out of it. If this video helped, please do like and subscribe and comment below. Are you guys doing the backtesting or not? And if not, then what is stopping, guys? Let's do this. This is trading with me in real trade, real journey. Let's grow together. And remember one thing, one trade at a time.